Applying Neville Goddards' teachings to everyday life. Hello, my name is James. Welcome. Today, I have an exciting article that I put together. I also created a website with Neville Goddards' works DFY. I'll leave a link in the description below this video. It's in large print and easy to follow along. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and just listen. Let's get started. Applying Neville Goddards' teachings to everyday life. Now you can easily read Neville Goddards' works. Get familiar with the teachings of Neville Goddard so that you can apply them to your own life. Start with his books such as At Your Command, The Power of Awareness, and Feeling is the Secret. Learn to use your imagination. Neville Goddard believed that our imagination is the key to manifesting our desires. Learn to use your imagination to visualize what you want and to believe it is already yours. Practice mental rehearsal. Neville Goddard taught the power of mental rehearsal. This is simply imagining yourself in the future, when you have already achieved your goal. Mentally rehearse it several times a day until it feels real. Take inspired action. Neville Goddards' teachings are all about believing that it is already yours and taking inspired action to achieve it. Take action that feels good and that is in alignment with your goal. Let go of the outcome. When we let go of the outcome, we are allowing the universe to do its work. Believe that what you want is already yours and let go. Don't focus on the how, just focus on the what. Practice gratitude. Neville Goddard taught the power of gratitude. Read the original text. Neville Goddard wrote and spoke extensively on his teachings, and the best way to understand them is to read his original texts. This will help you gain a better understanding of his concepts and how they can be applied in your life. Listen to his lectures and recordings. Neville Goddard had a unique way of expressing his thoughts and ideas, and his recorded lectures can be a great way to further your understanding of his teachings. Practice visualization and affirmations. Neville Goddard believed in the power of visualization and affirmations to help you manifest the life you desire. Visualize the outcome you want to achieve and use affirmations to keep yourself focused and motivated. Take action. Neville Goddard's teachings emphasize the importance of taking action to bring your goals to fruition. Once you have visualized and affirmed what you want, take the necessary steps to make it happen. Connect with other students of Neville Goddard. Connecting with others who are also studying Neville Goddard's teachings can be a great way to learn more and to share your experiences. There are many online forums, discussion groups, and even in-person meetups dedicated to Neville Goddard's work. Read books and watch videos about Neville Goddard's teachings. There are many books and videos dedicated to Neville Goddard's teachings that can help you gain further insight into his ideas. Experiment and practice. The best way to understand Neville Goddard's teachings is to put them into practice. Experiment with visualization and affirmations and see how they can help you manifest the life you desire. Focus on the good in your life. You are sending a positive message to the universe and attracting more good. Make gratitude a part of your daily practice. That was pretty awesome. I have been following Neville Goddards' teachings for a short while. It has dramatically changed my life. I have immersed myself in these teachings, and would just like to share these wonderful truths. Gratitude is a big part of the equation. I would like to give a heartfelt thank you to Dr. Joe Dispenza, Evolve Your Brain, Rhonda, Byrne, The Greatest Secret. Free on YouTube at the time of making this video. I started this after watching some of Dr. Joe's videos, then reading some of his books. Free on YouTube at the time of making this video. In Evolve Your Brain, Part 1, from 46 minutes till 1 hour and 20 minutes, Dr. Joe goes into detail about his accident and how he healed himself. I also found an interview with Rhonda, Byrne, author of The Greatest Secret, free on YouTube, that I think will be of great value. I would also like to thank Brian Scott, Reality Revolution. He turned me on to Neville. He has a podcast on YouTube. Plus there are so many more. I will leave some links in the description below this video. If you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button below this video, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up, and like it if you did. It would really help. Wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks. James, December 21, 2022.